Okay guys, we got a 2024 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. I'm going to open up the cabin air filter. We're going to open up the glove box, remove all the stuff, and this one's really easy to get to. Push these two tabs down, pop this out. Next, these two tabs, push them in, pull that out, and that's your cabin air filter right there. Airflow is up, so we're just going to pull it out, check to see if it needs replaced or not. And this one's not bad, probably just blow it out with some air and put it back in. I will link a filter in the description for you guys, but this is really easy to do. Just do it yourself and save some money rather than doing it at a dealership or a shop. So thanks for watching.